At first create the sketch that you want to extrude with hole. I will create one rectangle, one circle. I want this as a hole and I want rectangular hole also. Then switch to 3D modeling, click here and click on 3D modeling. Then click on this unsaved view and select SC isometric. If you want to extrude this profile and create these holes, then you will have to use the press pull command. Click on press pull, take your cursor inside the profile, click there, then give the direction and give the height how much you want and press escape. Click here and click on shaded. Here is the object is created with holes. And if 3D object is ready, and now if you want to create the hole, then you will have to locate your profile. Suppose I want this hole to be at some distance from this line and this line. To locate that position, click here and select copy edges. Click on the edge, enter, give the base point, give the direction, make ortho on, give the direction and give the distance. Then press enter. Then again copy, select this edge, enter, give the base point, give the direction, give the distance, enter. Then click on exit. Then create your profile at that position. I want a circle there, give the radius, enter. Then again use the press pull. Click on press pull. Now because of these lines, complete circle is not getting cut. If you want to cut complete circle, then press escape and give E, enter and erase these lines, enter, then give the press pull command. Press pull, select the profile, then take your cursor inside. By clicking outside, you can make a through hole, and if you want to use some depth to the hole, you can type it here. I want 4 depth and escape. And if you want to create hole on some other surface, then you will have to change plane from here. If you want to create hole on this surface, then select the front plane, and if you want to create hole on this surface, then create the right plane. I want to create hole on this surface, then from here select the front plane. Your XY will align with that surface. Make the grid off. Then create your profile. I want a rectangular hole. You can use the copy edges for accurate placement. Right now I will create it freehand. I will track this midpoint and create one rectangle. And again click on press pull, select the profile, give the depth how much you want and enter. And if you want to give color to this, double click on it and give the color to the profile. And if you want to give different color to the holes, click here and click on color faces and select the face to which you want to give the color. Press enter and select the different color. Okay, escape. That's all. Thanks for watching. We will stop here.